Hey guys, today's video, that's right, it is all about how to use the Traeger induction burner. So let's dig in here real fast. We'll talk about the skillet we're gonna use on the burner, and then we're gonna head out to the grill. We're gonna show you how to get it started, how to pair it to your grill, and then get things fired up because I've already got a couple steaks on the smoker. I figured show you how to use it as well. All right, when we talk about the pan you need to use on the Traeger induction burner, Traeger sends along this little note for us, just a reminder that you must use compatible cookware. What that really means is, look at this. If a magnet sticks to your pan, you know that it has magnetic properties and that it will work just fine. Cast iron always works great, and today we're gonna use the Traeger cast iron pan that fits perfectly on that induction burner and works great as well. So let's head out to the grill, show you what we've got cooking, we'll get everything started up, and then we'll show you how to use it. Well, now that we're out here with the induction burner and our pan ready, think about all the amazing things you can do with this induction burner, right? I can obviously cast iron cook my steaks for that beautiful reverse sear, but I can now do bacon, I can do pancakes, I can also do my side dishes, right? Like a big cast iron pot of beans or even a cast iron pot of some boiled corn. A lot of versatility and a lot of great things to do on this induction burner, really making that Traeger that one-stop shop in your backyard. All right, so as you can see here, we have the induction burner all cleaned up, ready to go. Now, we do have 10 settings on here, so you can go from 1 to 10, but there's also a turbo setting, which is going to kick this into high gear. Now, my recommendation the first couple times you cook with this, maybe go a little bit lower than you think you need, because these induction burners are so hot and so efficient that usually I feel like I'm about 1 to 2 settings under how I normally cook. So that's the first thing. Now, you can see the white light, which means that it is on and it is active. We plug this into the back so we know that it's running off the same power supply, and that white light lets us know it's active. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and show you over on the touchscreen how we pair this and get this connected to the grill. Well, as you can see, we've already got the Traeger fired up. We're actually doing a little reverse sear on some steaks. So we'll go ahead and hit the menu button. Then we're gonna go over to accessories. We're gonna see we've got our Bluetooth probe, and then right here, look at that. We're gonna go ahead and pair the cooktop. So look at that, it says success. We're gonna go ahead and view it. Look at that, we are good to go. Okay, here we are right at the controller. Now, you can see the little orange light. That shows me I have the power on. Now, when I want to adjust it, I'll push down on this and turn it. You'll see it light up white and then immediately turn orange to let you know where you're at as far as setting goes. Tell you what though, this heats up very, very fast, so always make sure before you turn it on, you have your pan there. Now, we're gonna go ahead and shut it off right now just because we're not using it. We'll come back to it here in just a minute, but I'm also gonna show you what it looks like when you adjust it. You can also see it on the screen of your Timberline as well. All right, as you can see, we're at level 8, time to brown, which means we are going to reverse sear those beautiful smoked steaks we've been waiting on. So let's head over to the induction burner. Let's get it done. Well, like we showed you over on the other side, we have everything set for level 8, and look at how fast that is heating up. Now, time to get those steaks off the grill and onto the cast iron. All right, so we added a little bit of oil to the induction burner. I'm gonna go ahead and set those steaks on there now, push them down just a little bit, and I'll tell you what, we are good to go. We're gonna get a beautiful, beautiful sear. So we'll let them go for about 2 minutes aside. If you notice, I also have the meter probe in there, so I can also track temperature, making sure I get them cooked to perfection. Okay, here we are after just about 2 minutes. We'll go ahead and flip those over, and look at that. Beautiful, nice, crispy crust on there. That is going to be fantastic. Not bad at all for our first cook on the induction burner. I'll tell you what, if you're looking for another great video coming up, be sure to check out my 5 favorite things about the Timberline grill.